And then under community, you've got a whole series of new settings, and YouTube are adding to these all the time. The first thing they show you is fans, and this is the help page for fans. What that tells you is that the fans page shows a list of some of your most engaged and influential fans, basically the people who have commented the most. It's also a combination of subscriber count and engagement level. You can sort it. Just needed to show you this only appears if your channel has a large enough number of subscribers. The large enough isn't defined. I know that's dropping every few weeks in YouTube's eyes, but you may not have this initially, but you will have that later. And what it tells you, you can see how many subscribers your fans have, how engaged they are with your channel, how often they comment, like, dislike, and so on, a comment that they've left and how long they've been a subscriber, and then they get like a score based on how many comments, likes and subscribes and things they do. And if you're a Google Plus user, which most everybody is on YouTube these days, and if you're not, you should be, then if they haven't connected to Google Plus yet, that won't be shown, so they're in the process of updating that. So if I go back to this, in terms of fans, there's my top fans there, how many subscribers that person's got, the latest comments. I can add them to Google's, I can send messages and so on to them, and I've got various ways of sorting that. So this is a great way of knowing who to contact. If somebody like this person's got 547 subscribers on his own channel, this person's got 1,000, and so on and so forth. That's people that I want to engage with. I want to drop them email, I want to comment on their videos, I want them to tell people about my own channel, obviously.